If you live in Southeast Louisiana, flood insurance isn't just important, it's often required.
You absolutely see more people with the National Flood.
That National Flood is the federally backed and cheaper flood insurance policy that millions of Americans use to protect their homes, a lot of them in South Louisiana. But with the federal government shut down, the National Flood Insurance Program isn't operating as usual.
Obviously, it affects us in South Louisiana at a much higher level than most parts of the country, but it affects every state.
If you already have an active flood insurance policy, you're still covered. Claims from past storms can still be processed and paid. Home buyers can still move forward with closings if their flood insurance applications were submitted before the shutdown.
If right now today you woke up and you was like, oh, I found this house, I love this house, I need to get flood insurance on it, we can quote you so you can have an idea of what the premium would be, but we can't bind it.
Any new or expiring policies will also be a problem. During a shutdown, FEMA can't issue any new coverage or do renewals. That could leave a lot of homeowners exposed until the program is extended.
Technically, while it's not extended, there is the lapse. And if there is a lapse, then that means there is no coverage. But it's not for anything that you've done.
Jennifer Clements with Dan Berghardt Insurance says it's not time to panic, just time to check your policy to see when it expires. In her more than 20 years in insurance, Clements has seen the program in limbo before.
In years past, when it has been extended, it was retroactive.
That would protect policyholders for any lapse. Congressman Steve Scalise authored a provision in the government funding bill to extend the program.
It allows us 2 more months to negotiate our differences on a lot of big issues of how to fund all of the government.
In the meantime, Clements says private flood insurance, which is often more expensive but with more coverage, is an option for anyone who needs a new policy immediately.
If you're going to be a homeowner, you want to know what all of your options are.
One of those options is to just wait it out. Mike McDaniel, WWL, Louisiana.
Now, even if you think your coverage is fine, check your paperwork now. Make sure you know exactly when your policy ends. You can also reach out to your agent for more specific questions.